Hello, welcome to this Control Web Panel tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss email filters in the CWP user panel. Whether your email inbox is overflowing with thousands of emails a day, or you're just looking for an automated solution to help tidy things up, email filters can be the solution. To access CWP email filters, go to the sidebar and under Email Accounts, click on Email Filters. This opens the Email Filters module, and it's separated into two tabs. First, you'll see your Email Filters tab here, where all of your email accounts are shown with any active filters. Next, you have your filters templates. So we'll go to this tab here, and to start, click on the plus Add New Filter Template button. Here, we can give our filter a name. We'll call this one Spam Filter. And then we can set the criteria. For incoming email, we can set it to either match all of the following rules, which means that it would have to match every single rule that we set. Or we can set it to match any of the following rules, which means it would have to match any one of the following rules that we set. Or we can just set it for all messages, in which case we don't have to set any rules at all. In this case, let's set it to match any one of the following rules. For rules, we have options to set it for either subject, from, to, body, size, date, or current date. So let's use subject as an example. And then we can set the condition, either contains or doesn't contain, equal or not equal to, exists or doesn't exist, matches or doesn't match expressions or regular expressions, greater than or equal to or less than, and a variety of other conditions here. So let's just say that it contains, and for this example, we'll just use the word spam. So if the subject contains the word spam, then we want our filter to execute the following action. We can either move the message, copy it, redirect, send, discard, reply, delete, set flags, add flags, remove flags, set variables, send notifications, keep the message, or stop evaluating. In this case, we're going to move the message to, and then we can choose a location. Our inbox, drafts, sent, trash, or spam. Obviously, spam is the likely location here. Now let's go ahead and add some other conditions. And we can add as many conditions as we want here. So let's just say if the email comes from, containing the word spammer, if only it were so easy to identify spam. And we'll add another condition here. We'll say if the body contains the word spam. And again, this is clearly not a realistic scenario, but it serves the purpose. We can also include various actions if we want as well, unlimited number of actions. So for example, in addition to moving the message to our spam folder, we might also choose to reply with a message. In which case, we could set the message as maybe something like unsubscribe, with a subject, a reply sender address, email address, and how often we want to send the message in days. Now in real life, it's very bad practice to reply to any spam that would likely only flag your email as an active account. So rather than save this action, we'll just delete this one. So now if any emails arrive matching any of these conditions, it will be moved to our spam folder. So once we're happy with the settings, we can go ahead and click Save. And that creates a new template for us. And we can go ahead and create several templates if we want. We could do the same thing again, maybe for junk. And we'll move that one to our trash folder. And we'll save that one. Well, we'll give this one a name. Just call this one junk filter and save. Okay, now that we've got a few templates set up, let's go back to our email filters tab here. And here's a list of all of our various email accounts. To manage the filters for each account, just click on the Manage Filters button under the Actions column. And for each email account, we can set a filters set. And a filters set can contain several templates, but you can only have one active set on an email account at a time. Now this is the filters set within Roundcube. If we want to create a new filter set here within CWP, we just click on the plus new filter set button here. And let's just call this one spam and junk. And save. And now we can click the settings icon to adjust our filters set. And here is the filters management column here. And as you can see, there's no filters added yet. So to add a filter to our set, we can click on the plus button here, and we can either create a new filter. We can also do that by clicking the green button here, or we can apply it from a template. And this shows us a list of the various templates that we just created in the previous step, and we can see the spam filter and the junk filter. So we'll go ahead and we will use this spam filter. And this gives us an opportunity to confirm our settings and then save. And you can see that the spam filter has been added to our filters column here. And because we called this set spam and junk, we'll go ahead and click the plus button and add another filter template. This time we will add the junk filter. And confirm our settings and save. And once we're happy with our settings, we can go ahead and activate that filter set. And now our spam and junk filter set is active. Because we can only have one filter set active at a time, if we were to activate the Roundcube filter set now, you'll see that our template filter set is automatically deactivated. So because we haven't set any filters for Roundcube, let's turn our spam and junk filter back on. That deactivates the Roundcube filters. And now let's go back. Then we'll just refresh the page. And when we refresh the page, we see that the Have Filters column has been updated for this email account. And if we hover over, the tooltip lets us know that 2 filters have been applied. Now, if you prefer, you can do this within Roundcube email as well. So let's just log into Roundcube. And to access the email filters within Roundcube, we can click the Settings button here. And then select the Filters tab here. And here we can see the spam and junk filters that we just created in CWP have been imported into Roundcube. Now we can go ahead and create a new filter template here if we want. Let's call this one bulk filter. And we can choose whether this is enabled or not. And again, we have the same criteria, whether it matches all the rules, any of the rules, or catches all messages. So we'll just say any of the rules. And we'll just keep this simple. We'll just say if the subject contains the word bulk. We move the message to our trash folder. Okay, and save. And now that's been added. Now, if we go back to CWP, when we hover over the Have Filters checkmark, the tooltip lets us know that now there are 3 filters applied. And to see those 3 filters, we can go to Manage Filters, click on the Settings icon, and here we can see the spam and junk filter that we started with, and here is the bulk filter automatically applied from the Roundcube that we applied here, and we marked it as enabled. So that has been automatically added to this filter set. And that's how easy it is to use email filters in CWP User Panel. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks very much for watching.